Well, welcome back, folks. Let's have a quick look at our data set. All the data is there, but it's a bit of a mess. In column A, we've got random spaces all over the place. Column B is messy. Some of it is in all caps, some of it is in lowercase, some of it is a mixture. Column C, ideally we'd have each country starting with a capital letter. And in column D, we want to change them all to capital letters. In order to tidy up column A, we're going to use the trim function. Do a search for trim, and let's have a little read of the description. Drag our mouse across our names. This is looking a little bit better now. Let's copy and paste the values into column A. Still looking at column A, we want all of the first names and the second names to start with a capital letter. We're going to start with a formula called proper. Do a search for proper. Have a read of the description. And drag our mouse across our names. Now we're talking. Hey Excel, you are simply the best. Let's copy and paste the values again. With column B, we said we want it all to be lowercase. There is a simple function we can use for this, and the function is called lower. Let's type out this formula ourselves. Close our brackets, press enter, boom. Let's copy and paste our values. Column C, the country column, we want each word to start with a capital letter. We can use the function called proper again. Copy, paste our values. Finally, the genre column. We want it all to appear in capital letters. The function we need is called upper. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, this is the end.